Morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I wanted to jump on this week and talk about something that people tend to avoid, your financial reports. How, sorry, my Facebook did something weird. How do you feel when you get your monthly financial reports? Do you look at them at all? I know a lot of people don't know what they're looking at and they avoid them. They don't pull them, or if they receive them from their bookkeeper, they file them away as a to done. So normally what you would get is your balance sheet and your profit and loss report. The profit and loss is going to show you how much income you made. And if you have different streams of income, hopefully it's broken down into how much each stream of income made. So if you have book sales, if you provide coaching, if you um, are in the trades, if you do remodeling jobs, roofing jobs, those different types of income should be broken out on there. And then it also shows what you spent. If you go look through, it's going to tell you what you may have spent on advertising, fuel, utilities, software, and should match your streams of income. So if you do have book sales, whatever went into the cost of printing the books should be in there. It should tie in a way that makes sense to you. What will not be in there is owner draws, um, owner investments. If you have personal expenses coming out, those will not be in your profit and loss. If you are making payments to for an asset, let's say you have a truck payment for a loan, the interest will be on your profit and loss, but the principal payment will not, because that goes against an asset. Um, so if you do remodeling to your location or buy very large equipment that needs to be depreciated, that would be a large asset, those won't always be on your profit and loss. So knowing where the different costs come in, where the different assets and income comes, will make those reports a lot more useful to you. The balance sheet, it shows your assets, it shows your liabilities, and it shows your equity. So the assets, again, would be any large asset that you purchase. If you purchase that truck, it's going to have the value of the truck on there. It will show the depreciation against that vehicle, and then it will show the loan under the liability side. And if you are taking owner draws, if you're investing into the business, if you have personal expenses that may have accidentally come off of that business card because you grabbed the wrong one, those will all be all on the balance sheet. So when you're looking at the profit and loss, you're going to have a net income, but that is going to be before any of that owner equity would come, or payments would come out, or investments would go in, because those are located there on the balance sheet. So I hope that those tips give you a better sense of how to read your financial statements and know if your business is profitable, because it could look profitable on your profit and loss, and then you're taking out more owner's draws than you're making. So hopefully that will be helpful to you. If you have any questions, please reach out and I can go more in detail as to what to look for on each of those reports. They're also a great way if you have a monthly bill coming out every month to just verify things are being taken care of. If you know you have sales tax that are paid monthly, on that profit and loss, you should see a payment for sales tax. If you know that you have a quarterly bill come out, should be able to look at that profit and loss and watch to make sure that's coming out. It's a good way to check and make sure that nothing is falling through the cracks. So please reach out if you have any questions and enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you for joining.